Have you got a very busy day and have promised someone for a very special lunch or dinner? Are you fed up of waiting in the long queue for hours to get your special meal? No worries. We have a very special app for you. Just one click and boom, everything is done. Starting from table reserving to food booking. So eager to know more? Have patience and have a look. What a lovely quote is stated by someone. Without the successful coordination among the team members in a team, it's nearly impossible to develop something new. And this quote perfectly suits our team. So now it's time to meet with our innovative team members, in technical terms, developers.
Hello everyone, my name is Raj Ghosh. Me and my team members are developing an Android application named Restaurante Intelligente for our semester project this year. This application mainly aim to help the restaurant operators to provide a better service and a seamless experience to their customers. For availing all this facility, the diner has to first log in their application on their Android phone. After logging in, they can see list of various restaurants available in their area. After choosing the desired restaurant, a virtual tour of the restaurant, that is a 360-degree view of the restaurant around the table, will be available to the user, through which he can book the desired table whichever he wants. After completing this step, he will be driven to a page where he has to pre-book his food and just to confirm his order. And that's all. When he reaches the restaurant, he just has to show a QR code to the restaurant manager and he will arrange a table and the food for him and can provide him best dining service.
Esta casualidad es que los otros no entenderán lo que se
So
siente
if we
ser
talk about the problems, then in this present era, people have become very busy in their personal and official works. With such a heavy load of works, their schedule has become very hectic and tight and they are always running short of time. And due to all these time shortage issues, they don't get enough time to cook and enjoy their meal. And they are inclining and getting attracted toward restaurants and hotels a lot. As the crowd in restaurants is increasing exponentially day by day, so this results in a major problem as it becomes difficult for the restaurant manager to manage the crowd. Imagine yourself as a customer and you reach a good restaurant in the hope of getting a perfect meal, but then you have to return back in a great disappointment because you get to know that either no seat is available or you have to wait in a long queue for a long time to get your meal. So these are some of the major issues faced by people nowadays and this need to be solved as soon as possible.
esta casualidad es que los otros no entenderán.
Resolving this issue was not so difficult for us as we have developed functionality to address these problems efficiently. The app provides a 360-degree view feature which can solve the problem of table reservation. It allows customer to have a virtual view of the restaurant and select the desired table in advance. The app also introduces a food pre-booking feature using which customer can order their meal in advance. The manager can then arrange everything beforehand for the customer so that they can have a fine dining service. Speaking of the feedback system, we have introduced facial recognition feedback pipeline which can capture the facial emotions and feed of the customer and can classify their emotions and fill up the feedback form efficiently.
Okay, so now let me start with a demo of our project. This is Android Studio and here now we will run the emulator. Okay, so this is the emulator. Now we will run our app. First we will get a splash screen which we have done using that gravity feature which will get to the next page automatically. Now let me type here Rohit and admin as username as password. We have not implemented that sign up button yet. Now this is the home page where we will get to see all the restaurants, and below this is the fragments of help and about us. Here in that help page we can see contact, mail and timings of the customer care, and in about us the developers of the application. Now let's get to the main part. When we click dine in, we will be able to see a 360-degree view. The 360-degree page will be transferred to the next within 20 seconds. The user will get ample time. Now this is the tables page. We get to select any table. Like we select table 2, there is a pop-up of table 2 book. But now if we select any other table like table 5, we also get that the table is already booked. Now let's click submit, and this is the menu page. Now let me select any random value for now, and let me click on cart. Now here all the data has been transferred from the previous page, like the menu, the total cost is visible, and also the table booked. Now the last page where we will be able to get the QR code. Now for now this has been done only using a string, so that we can also tell that it has been generated and not an image has been pasted. Now we also get to see thanks for booking, show this at restaurant. Let me also show you that the QR code will change after typing a different string. Okay, so this is the user app. All the data will be transferred to the restaurant app, and that will be shown to you by Sahil.
So this is the home page of our staff application. So on the home page you can see some sort of pie chart which is displaying the emotions of the customers. This is taken with the help of Raspberry Pi 4, and the external camera is attached to it. So currently we are using the 2 GB version, and this is the camera. So the machine learning model is working in this board. Here you can see a pretty simple layout, but it's still attractive, and if it is left like this, as soon as the screen brightness goes down, it seems as if the bulb is dimming. The second page we have a seat booking application. You can see a top view of the restaurant. For example, I want to book this middle seat. So the table number is 4 and I'm entering my name. So now I will click the book button. So we will see a pop-up like table booked, and then I can press the back button and can book multiple seats if I want. On the third page I have an application. This is the same data that Shubham showed you in his application. That was the application for the client. So as you can see, same details are being shown over here. So the hotel management staff can see like a person named Rohit has booked table number 2, and this is his order with the price. When I scroll this, I get the table which has been booked using this app. So I can get the details, my details, since I have booked this app. And in the last fragment you will see a QR code scanner. This QR code scanner can read the QR code that has been generated in the previous app which Shubham showed you. So this is like for reading the QR codes and all that would be scanned so that a customer can be checked in. So this is all about the application. Thank you.
I, Siddharth Kohli, would now like to throw some light upon the software used in our app. We have made an Android application by using Android Studio IDE. We use XML for the simple but attractive front end of our app. Basic coding languages like Java and Kotlin has been used for the backend part. Now let's talk about the emotion recognition. We have made an AI machine learning model using Python. Multiple libraries like OpenCV and Keras has been used to detect face, eyes and lips, and also to detect emotions. Our AI machine learning model would be running on Raspberry Pi version 4B. A compatible camera version 1.3 has to be specific has been used and connected to our Raspberry Pi. To boot the Raspberry Pi version 4B, we have used Raspberry Pi OS, which is the new term used for Raspbian.
Towards the conclusion of our project will be developed with 2 applications having user-centric interface equipped with features like table booking, using 360-degree view of the restaurant, feedback using facial recognition and also QR code generator, and scanner in both the applications. Database linking of the applications will also work without any lag. The project concludes with the mindset of bringing this to the global market as soon as possible. As this project is to solve mishaps faced by the user, restaurant staff, therefore help in technical advancement of food industry. We will try to launch an application on the Google Play Store as soon as possible so that it can be used by the many users. Thank you.
Well, that's it from this video. I hope you must have got some basic idea about the workings and functionality of our app, and if you have got something new to learn, then do hit the like button and share among your friends. Till then, good luck and goodbye.